This is the nest box packing puzzle. The goal is to get all of these pieces into the frame together, and the secret trick is that you actually have to use both of these holes on the puzzle box to figure out how to get these pieces into the box together. If we start off by just placing this piece into the box, we can have 2 pieces in there. We can add this square in the next layer. But if we try to get either of these last 2 pieces into the nest box, the pieces just won't fit through on the front of the box. So you have to figure out the movement needed inside in order to get all of these pieces into the nest box. To get the nest box puzzle for yourself, go check out the link in our description. If we start off by placing this piece in first, we can place it off to the back side of the box. And then next we can take the longer L shape and place it over onto the bottom of the box, beside that other L. Next, we can take this piece and place it in here. We're going to have to place it in sideways. But once we get it inside of the box, we have to do a rotation and twist it up. Then we can push it up to the top of the box through this hole. Once we have it at the top of the box, we can now take this longer piece and place it through the front, and then we can push it off to the left-hand side and drop it down to the bottom, and that leaves the perfect space just to fit this square into the box. To get the nest box puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.